Pīrjo Goth, a city nestled in the Kingri Taluka of Khairpur district, Sindh, Pakistan, stands as a testament to the rich cultural and historical tapestry of the region. This city, with its unique blend of history and modernity, offers a glimpse into the soul of Sindh. The landscape of Pīrjo Goth is a harmonious blend of natural beauty and human ingenuity, where ancient traditions meet contemporary life. The city, home to a population of over estimated population if available, is renowned for its deep-rooted traditions and the iconic tomb of Muhammad Rashid, a revered figure who continues to inspire generations. The streets of Pīrjo Goth are always bustling with activity, from the vibrant local markets to the serene spiritual sites. The tomb of Muhammad Rashid stands as a beacon of faith and devotion, drawing visitors from all corners of the region. The tomb of Muhammad Rashid is not just a historical monument, it is a living testament to the spiritual legacy that permeates the city. People from various walks of life come here to pay their respects, seeking solace and inspiration. The atmosphere around the tomb is one of reverence and peace, a stark contrast to the bustling city life just a few steps away. This essay delves into the multifaceted aspects of Pīrjo Goth, exploring its cultural heritage, political significance, natural environment, infrastructure, and the environmental challenges it faces. The city's landmarks tell stories of its past, while its natural landscapes offer a serene escape from the urban hustle. The infrastructure of Pīrjo Goth is a testament to its growth and development, balancing modernity with tradition. Pīrjo Goth has long been a centre of cultural significance in the Sindh region. Its historical buildings stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, each with its own story to tell. Traditional cultural events breathe life into these ancient structures, creating a vibrant tapestry of past and present. The city's cultural calendar is filled with events that celebrate its rich heritage, from music and dance to art and literature. The city's history is deeply intertwined with the spiritual legacy of Muhammad Rashid, whose tomb draws devotees from far and wide. Spiritual rituals performed at the tomb are a testament to the enduring faith of the people. These rituals, passed down through generations, are a vital part of the city's cultural fabric, connecting the past with the present. The annual celebration, commemorating Muhammad Rashid, transforms the city into a vibrant hub of activity. The streets are adorned with colorful decorations and the air is filled with the sounds of music and laughter. Devotees from all over gather to participate in the festivities, creating a sense of community and shared purpose. The celebration is a time of joy and reflection, a reminder of the city's spiritual roots. With devotees participating in religious rituals, processions, and cultural performances, the celebration is a spectacle to behold. The processions are a sight to see, with people dressed in traditional attire carrying banners and chanting prayers. Cultural performances add to the festive atmosphere, showcasing the city's artistic talents and cultural diversity. The streets come alive with the spirit of devotion, showcasing the enduring legacy of faith and tradition in Pīrjo Goth. The celebration is not just a religious event, it is a celebration of the city's identity and heritage. The lively street scenes during are a testament to the city's vibrant culture and the strong sense of community among its residents. The city's cultural fabric is further enriched by the presence of diverse communities, each contributing to the vibrant social mosaic. The marketplace is a microcosm of this diversity, with people from different backgrounds coming together to trade, interact, and share their stories. The diversity of Pīrjo Goth is one of its greatest strengths, fostering a sense of unity and mutual respect among its residents. The warm hospitality of the locals is renowned, making visitors feel welcome and providing a glimpse into the authentic way of life in Pīrjo Goth. Visitors are often struck by the friendliness and generosity of the people who go out of their way to make them feel at home. This hospitality is a reflection of the city's values and traditions, creating a welcoming atmosphere for all who visit. The city's rich cultural tapestry, woven with threads of history, faith, and tradition, creates an enchanting atmosphere that captivates all who visit. Each landmark, each event, and each tradition adds a unique thread to this tapestry, creating a complex and beautiful picture of the city's identity. Pīrjo Goth is a place where the past and present coexist in harmony, offering a unique experience to all who come here. Beyond its cultural significance, Pīrjo Goth plays a crucial role in the political landscape of Sindh. The city is a hub of political activity, with rallies, gatherings, and meetings taking place regularly. The political landscape of Pīrjo Goth is dynamic and ever-changing, reflecting the broader political trends of the region. The city's political significance is a testament to its influence and importance in the province. The city serves as the headquarters of the Pakistan Muslim League Functional, a prominent political party in the province. This has brought Pīrjo Goth into the national spotlight, shaping its identity as a place of influence and decision-making. The presence of the party's headquarters in the city underscores its political importance and its role in shaping the future of the region. This political significance has brought Pīrjo Goth into the national spotlight, shaping its identity as a place of influence and decision-making. The city's political events and speeches are often covered by national media, highlighting its importance on the national stage. The media presence in Pīrjo Goth is a reflection of its political relevance and its role in shaping the political discourse of the region. The presence of prominent political figures further underscores the city's importance in the political realm. Meetings and conferences held in Pīrjo Goth often attract political leaders and influencers, making it a key location for political discussions and decision-making. The city's political landscape is a testament to its influence and its role in shaping the future of Sindh. At the heart of Pīrjo Goth's cultural heritage lies the magnificent tomb of Muhammad Rashid, a revered Sufi saint and a beacon of spiritual guidance. His teachings and life story have inspired countless generations, making his tomb a focal point of spiritual and cultural significance. The tomb, an architectural marvel adorned with intricate designs and calligraphy, showcases the artistic brilliance of the era. Each stroke of calligraphy and every design element tells a story of devotion and craftsmanship. It stands as a testament to the city's deep-rooted Islamic traditions, reflecting the rich history and cultural heritage of the region. The tomb's architecture is a blend of various styles, symbolizing the confluence of different cultural influences over centuries. The serene ambience within the tomb's hallowed halls offers solace to devotees seeking spiritual solace. The natural light filtering through the intricately designed windows creates an ethereal atmosphere, enhancing the sense of peace and tranquility. The tomb of Muhammad Rashid is not merely a historical monument, it is a living testament to the enduring power of faith. It serves as a sanctuary for those in search of spiritual guidance and a place where the past and present converge. Devotees, known as hers, from all walks of life embark on pilgrimages to pay homage to the saint and seek his blessings. These pilgrimages are a journey of faith, reflecting the deep spiritual connection that people have with Muhammad Rashid. The annual Urs celebration, marking the anniversary of Muhammad Rashid's death, transforms Pīrjo Goth into a sea of humanity. Devotees from across the region and beyond gather to honor the saint, creating a vibrant tapestry of faith and devotion. During the Urs, the city comes alive with a kaleidoscope of colors, sounds, and aromas. The streets are filled with the joyous sounds of devotional songs, the aroma of traditional foods, and the sight of colorful decorations. Devotees, clad in colorful attire, participate in processions, chanting devotional songs and carrying banners adorned with religious verses. These processions are a sight to behold, reflecting the deep-rooted traditions and communal spirit of the people. The air is thick with the scent of incense and the rhythmic beat of drums, creating an atmosphere charged with spiritual fervor. The sound of drums reverberates through the streets, adding to the sense of unity and collective devotion. The Urs is a testament to the enduring legacy of Muhammad Rashid and the unwavering faith of his devotees. It is a celebration of life, faith, and the timeless teachings of the saint. The traditions surrounding the tomb of Muhammad Rashid offer a glimpse into the rich cultural tapestry of Sindh. These traditions have been preserved and passed down through generations, ensuring that the spiritual heritage of the region remains vibrant and alive. The annual Urs celebration, with its vibrant rituals and deep-rooted customs, has been passed down through generations, preserving the spiritual heritage of the region. It is a time when families come together to honor their ancestors and reaffirm their faith. The tomb stands not only as a place of worship, but also as a symbol of unity, drawing people from all backgrounds to partake in the shared experience of faith and devotion. It is a place where differences are set aside and the common bond of faith brings people together. The tomb of Muhammad Rashid is a beacon of hope and a source of inspiration for many. It is a place where the past meets the present and where the teachings of a revered saint continue to guide and inspire future generations. In the heart of Pīrjo Goth, the tomb of Muhammad Rashid stands as a testament to the enduring power of faith, the richness of cultural heritage, and the unifying spirit of devotion. It's a place where history, spirituality, and community come together in a harmonious blend, creating a legacy that will continue to inspire for generations to come. Beyond its spiritual significance, Pīrjo Goth is a city that pulses with political energy and influence. Nestled in the heart of Sindh, this city is not just a geographical location, but a symbol of political power and cultural heritage. Pīrjo Goth holds a prominent position in the political landscape of Sindh. The city's streets are often abuzz with political discussions, and its marketplaces serve as informal forums where the future of the province is debated and decided. The city serves as the headquarters of the Pakistan Muslim League Functional, a prominent political party that has played a significant role in shaping the province's political discourse. The PMLF's presence is felt in every corner of the city, from the political banners that adorn the streets to the flags that flutter atop buildings. The city serves as the headquarters of the Pakistan Muslim League Functional, a prominent political party that has played a significant role in shaping the province's political discourse. The PMLF, with its roots firmly planted in Pīrjo Goth, has advocated for the rights of the people of Sindh and played a crucial role in shaping the region's development agenda. The party's influence extends beyond mere political rhetoric. It has been instrumental in driving tangible change, from advocating for improved infrastructure to pushing for better educational opportunities and healthcare facilities for the residents of Pīrjo Goth. The PMLF's leaders are often seen addressing large crowds, their speeches echoing the aspirations and hopes of the people. These rallies are not just political events, but a testament to the deep connection between the party and the populace. The PMLF, with its roots firmly planted in Pīrjo Goth, has advocated for the rights of the people of Sindh and played a crucial role in shaping the region's development agenda. The party's commitment to the people is evident in its grassroots activism. Local activists, often seen holding signs and organizing community meetings, work tirelessly to ensure that the voices of the people are heard and their needs addressed. The PMLF's presence in Pīrjo Goth has had a tangible impact on the city's development. The party has advocated for improved infrastructure, educational opportunities and healthcare facilities for the residents of Pīrjo Goth. Pīrjo Goth's political significance is further amplified by the presence of influential figures like the 8th Pir Pagara, a hereditary title held by the spiritual leader of the Her community. The Pir Pagara, with his vast following and political influence, has been a key player in Sindh's political arena, shaping the province's political dynamics. The Pir Pagara, with his vast following and political influence, has been a key player in Sindh's political arena, shaping the province's political dynamics. The Pir Pagara, with his vast following and political influence, has been a key player in Sindh's political arena, shaping the province's political dynamics. The city's role as a political hub has attracted political analysts and observers, keen to decipher the intricate political landscape of Sindh. The city's role as a political hub has attracted political analysts and observers, keen to decipher the intricate political landscape of Sindh. The city's role as a political hub has attracted political analysts and observers, keen to decipher the intricate political landscape of Sindh. The city's role as a political hub has attracted political analysts and observers, keen to decipher the intricate political landscape of Sindh. The PMLF's presence in Pīrjo Goth has had a tangible impact on the city's development. The party has advocated for improved infrastructure, educational opportunities and healthcare facilities for the residents of Pīrjo Goth. The party has advocated for improved infrastructure, educational opportunities and healthcare facilities for the residents of Pīrjo Goth. The city has witnessed significant development projects, including the construction of schools, hospitals and roads, aimed at improving the living standards of the local population. The city has witnessed significant development projects, including the construction of schools, hospitals and roads, aimed at improving the living standards of the local population. The city has witnessed significant development projects, including the construction of schools, hospitals and roads, aimed at improving the living standards of the local population. The city has witnessed significant development projects, including the construction of schools, hospitals and roads, aimed at improving the living standards of the local population. Pīrjo Goth's political significance extends beyond the confines of Sindh. The city has hosted political gatherings and rallies that have drawn national attention, cementing its status as a place where political decisions are made and political alliances are forged. The city has hosted political gatherings and rallies that have drawn national attention, cementing its status as a place where political decisions are made and political alliances are forged. The city has hosted political gatherings and rallies that have drawn national attention, cementing its status as a place where political decisions are made and political alliances are forged. The city has hosted political gatherings and rallies that have drawn national attention, cementing its status as a place where political decisions are made and political alliances are forged. The city has hosted political gatherings and rallies that have drawn national attention, cementing its status as a place where political decisions are made and political alliances are forged. The city's political landscape, shaped by the presence of the PMLF and influential figures like the Pīrjo, continues to evolve, reflecting the dynamic nature of Pakistani politics. The city's political landscape, shaped by the presence of the PMLF and influential figures like the Pīrjo, continues to evolve, reflecting the dynamic nature of Pakistani politics. The city's political landscape, shaped by the presence of the PMLF and influential figures like the Pīrjo, continues to evolve, reflecting the dynamic nature of Pakistani politics.